How to delete reels in Instagram. So if you updated different reels on your Instagram page and you want to remove the reels or you want to delete them one after the other, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to delete reels in Instagram, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the Instagram app on your Android or on your iPhone. Then go to your profile, or one on the Instagram feeds just like this. Click on the reel icon, or better still, on the feed page, you're gonna see your reels just like this. So if this is the reel you want to delete, just click on the three dots on the reels. Then scroll down. Then you should see delete. Go ahead and tap the delete button if the reel comes up on your Instagram feeds. But if the reel is not available on your Instagram feeds, now come here and click on the reels icon. Then you should see your Instagram reel first. If you click on this drop menu here, you have access to nearby, notes, and following. So to delete this reel on your Instagram page, go ahead and click on these three dots above your profile at bottom right. Then you should see delete. Then go ahead and tap that. Once you click on the choose spot that says delete reel, then go ahead and tap delete. Then hang on while the reel is deleted. Now once the reel is deleted, your reels will be deleted and you should be able to see other people's reel. So that is basically how to delete reels on Instagram. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.